What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man, and we got a special guest behind the camera. Shouts out to Bay. But I said last year, you know what I'm saying, I got all these shoes and stuff like that. You guys been hearing me saying every time I give her a new pair of shoes, but I really been lacing you up. Like for real, like no cap. Like forget the camera, I really been lacing her up. Like I remember last time you bought your own pair of shoes, right?
Please.
Oh my God.
I don't even know where you sitting at.
Yeah, those. Okay, so your boy been giving her some heat lately, some limited stuff, some stuff selling out, some stuff that's worth a lot of money that she probably ain't really dip into. But you've been a part of the sneaker game for a little minute now. I remember when I first met you, had the Brand 11, you thought she was all that. You know what I'm saying? She thought she was everything. Everybody was like borrowing her shoes. Like, I'm like, what the hell going on? Like, you know what she got on your feet? She don't even know. Hey, we ain't gonna talk about that. But today is the day I give her a new pair of sneaks. She don't even know what they are. I just told her I put in for a raffle for because I try to get a pair for myself. And I took an L on them, of course. Took an L on, we'll get this past weekend, called Silver Toe ones.
Nope.
Some Dunks.
Nope.
And I believe they did a raffle for the Griffies and the Carmine. So everything was like delayed shipment with shoe pals, stuff like that. But I got a call actually when I was in the mall with the homie, the Retro Wiz kid. I was like, yo, I'm already here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up for Bay. I was gonna like say, you know what I'm saying, I don't need them right now, but we gotta get a lace up. So I'm gonna have her get in front of the camera, open the shoes up, see how she like them. Before we get into that, man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell right now for your boys to never miss any other content that we drop. And we also been dropping some other content on our couples channel, which is linked down below as well. We just did a funny prank I did on her actually. It was a good one, man. So you go check it out, link down below. And yeah, man, hit the like button. We can get right into her little first, or not first. You've been in a lot of unboxings lately, so let's get right into it. All right, yeah. Get it. What do you say? Oh my God.
Okay, I'm not even gonna do this.
All right, what we got? Shoe
That is
polish.
sitting right here.
Hold on, read this. You gotta read it. You gotta do
I'm
it like
so excited. Okay.
You a sneaker YouTuber now.
Nike Dunk Low,
Black.
Hyper Cobalt White.
Okay. Size 5Y.
Size 5Y.
All right. What's colorway? Cobalt.
Cobalt.
Okay. You got a receipt. Yes, sir. There you have it, man. I picked up a pair of these. It was crazy because it only was going for like $80, so I spent like $90. I'm like, why wouldn't I pick this up? But yeah, we got her a super limited, super dope pair of Dunks. And blue, I don't see you wear a lot of blue. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, you ain't got no blue sneakers that I got you recently. So I thought it was dope to give you these. And yeah, I don't think you even think I'm serious about getting a collection, right? But your boy's been getting her some heat. Go ahead and tell him how you like them. I
love them. I told him recently that I wanted to get into Dunks, those light blue ones with the gold shoestrings. I tried to get those, took an L.
Yeah.
And I was very upset. So sneaker game not for me because I be in my feelings.
All right, let's get this sheet out the way. But these things is fire, bro.
I like them.
So I tried to get a pair of these, and it was actually another pair. It was a red and was it gray? Or was it black? You guys know what I'm talking about. You comment down below. It was pretty much a whole pack that released with these Dunks, and I took an L, man. I was kind of salty, but these crazy, bro. I got that royal colorway. I'm gonna grab the royal ones real quick. Where they at? So we got a bunch of royal sneakers. We got these right here, the royal toes. That kind of, you know, got some resemblance. And we also have the original royals right here. One of my favorite pair of Air Jordan ones, man. Crazy, bro. So look at that. That's dope. That is dope right there.
You gotta lace me up, baby.
You gotta lace you up? You gonna loose lace them or you gonna lace them all the way up?
I think I want to loose lace them.
Loose lace them, them
These
things.
strings are so long though.
They're long?
You know how to do it.
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, so that's the royal ones right here. We gotta get your Air Jordan 1 collection up, but you know, those look super similar to a Jordan 1.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Especially a Jordan 1 low. And I was like, man, let me go ahead and enter the raffle for them joints, but that don't know.
So a Jordan 1 low and a Dunk is different.
Yeah, so let me see if I can find a. Do I got a Jordan 1 low in the drop list? Where is my Jordan 1 lows? I don't see them for some reason. Maybe they're in my boxes, yeah, but yeah, so pretty much a Jordan 1 low and a Dunk low is pretty much the same thing. Even a Dunk high and a Jordan 1 high, they look very, very similar. So of course, there's some differences, of course, so you know, I got the Wings logo.
Yeah. Minor differences,
but stupid similarities.
Okay.
So how you feeling?
I like lows. I don't know.
So we came from this. Oh my God, what are these? Bro, what you was doing, fighting?
So baby dropped some spaghetti.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So we gotta get you right.
We went from that to this.
Yeah. That is crazy.
Big
It's a crazy.
I like these.
I'm glad you like them. They
I
fit
like
good.
Those.
See, we're 5.
Yeah, I got space.
See, we're like 5. Okay, so 5 wide and dunks, and a 5.5 in like regular retros.
Yeah.
Okay. That thing is crazy. You long feet. What I be doing, man?
Oh, here we go. Like this.
Yeah. Okay. She been watching a little bit. Ooh.
What you want with it?
You better stop that shit. Oh, she been watching some sticker YouTubers. She clowning, bro.
That's funny. Yeah, I like it loose legs like this. But
yeah, but it's kind of long.
Yeah.
Yeah, you figured it out. She actually taught me how to do one of my favorite lace styles for my Jordan. Was it Jordan 11s, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so she taught me that. So that's one of my most viewed videos. That is my most viewed video on YouTube. So shouts out to Bay for that.
I got something to tell them. So.
Nope.
Yeah, we gotta throw these shits away.
Hey!
Those is fucking trash. Laced up, yes, Sirski.
Heel toe, y'all know I got the heel toe and my little sneaks to the.
You wildin'.
I like these. Thank you, honey.
No problem. You already know we gotta keep them laced up. Your collection been going crazy last time.
Yeah. I'm gonna start getting right.
Shouts out to me.
Shouts out to Babe.
Shouts out to me. That's on me. You feel me? That's on me.
I'm not ready to get to work. Say.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, you're gonna see more of the wifey on the channel, me giving her some more kicks. Gotta keep the collection fresh. Gotta, you know, maybe one day she get like this, you feel me? But this is like 3-4 years in the making, so I don't know. It's gonna take a little time to catch up to your boy. But man, please subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. Our couple channel will be linked down below. If you kind of like, you know, couple channels, I guess, link down below in the description box. And hit the like button. That is super important. That helps the channel grow. Recommends this content to other people that love shoes as well. And I appreciate everybody for pulling up. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Peace.